Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Jeep Cherokee and I will show you the location of power outlets and cigarette lighter fuses. This video will apply to Jeep Cherokees made from 2014 all the way up to 2023. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. All the fuses you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side right here. To remove the cover, you will have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. You want to press them at the same time and lift up. On back side of the fuse box cover, you will have a small fuse diagram. And here access to all of the fuses and the release. Okay, so the first fuse to check, it's a fuse number F60, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse located here. This is the fuse responsible for power to center console power outlet. Second fuse will be fuse number 75, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse located here, responsible for power to cigarette lighter. And then in the end you will have fuses number F91 and F92. They will be right here. Now if you own 2014 Cherokee, you will check fuse number 91, and if you own 2015 to 2023, then you will check F92, and they will both be right here. There are like two slots, okay? And this is the fuse responsible for power to rear power outlet. If you have checked all of the fuses and one of the power outlets is still not working, then you will have to dig deeper. You will have to remove the power outlet. You will have to check if the power is coming to it. If it is, then the power outlet failed. If it's not, then you have a wiring problem somewhere. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.